All right, guys, I just fished a new creek, and I fished my favorite creek with Adam from ABitFishy, and this is how it went.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write you this song?
Well, this reminds me a lot of last year, that creek.
Yeah.
Rocky as hell, can't see anything.
So it was already kind of murky. I have yet to see it super clear. There was one stretch we fished 2 days ago down a ways that we found, and it was kind of clear there. That's a big old frog. But yeah, for the most part, it's been like this.
This money?
Yeah, well, not exactly this muddy, but I mean, it has not been clear water.
Is that part deep?
Is what part deep?
That part over there.
No, that's not too bad. We're gonna cross up over there.
Are we walking through that?
Yeah, we'll be walking through that, bud. Gabe's got one.
Gabe got one. Nice, Gabe.
Jump right down there and got a rock bass. You got the first fish of the day?
This is a largemouth or...
Good job, homie.
I think this is a largemouth.
No, that's a rock bass.
Oh.
Pretty cool one, man.
Are the eyes red of a rock bass?
Yep.
That's what I always noticed.
Let's get your picture. You can hold him by the mouth. He don't have any teeth.
Yeah, but my hook's in there.
Let's see what he got.
I got a rock bass.
A rock bass.
Nice.
That's the first thing I felt when I cast it out. The first thing I felt was a hit.
Nice.
Now you want to take him?
Cool. Good job, buddy. First fish of the day. Looks like I see the mud all over your butt from where you slipped and fell.
Maybe a swim jig today, Adam.
Well, there's pink slabalicious is very visible in this water.
Yeah.
That first thing I cast out, I felt a hit. Like, it was crazy.
Did you fish in this little area, Gabe?
Yeah.
Yeah, he caught it right over there to your left. Now I know this is deep right here because this was clear the other day when I looked in here. This is like 5 or 6 feet.
There's gotta be something in that, bro.
Dude, that's what we thought. We didn't catch nothing out of it. We tried like mad. I was like, man, there's got to be something living right here. Like, nope.
You're gonna have to come down and do that, dude.
Ha!
Right out of that hole. Nice smaller cue on that crush.
All right, first little catch. The Munch 40, 6-cent crank.
Oh, I haven't got one yet.
Yeah.
Same
And
one.
Adam. Adam's got a smallmouth. Gabe's got a rock bass. We laying eggs. Not even a net, Adam. Not even a net. See if the next pocket's our saving grace.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Not a bad one.
Yeah, we should have caught about 20 of them this size at least by now.
They're in here, dude. They're just not.
Not too bad, guys. First fish, but
Real finicky.
boy, are we struggling.
Alright, that's the same size as the other two. So, hey, I'll take it. They're biting, I'm catching them. Alright, that was probably my biggest one. You got a little belly on him. There we go.
That's a better one there. Like a 14-incher. Getting close to it.
Largemouth.
It is a largemouth, ain't it?
Yeah, no, I caught 4 right out of there.
All right, man.
Heck yeah. Alright. Starting to feel like a video.
Yeah. Not a hiking trip.
It's a good fish.
Adam, boy, he choked that too, man. Nice 2-pound largie. Looking in that 2-pound range.
Look at that, solid one. Look how pale that fish is, nice largemouth. Look at that crankbait. That little
Just engulfed it.
25 crush from 6 cents is all the way down his throat.
All right, everybody, dropped Calvin and Gabe off at their house. Me and Adam is heading over to my favorite creek. See if we can get on some big boys.
You got me acting out. You, all tenderness is out the window.
Yeah, I got him. That's a good one. That's a real good one. That's a solid 15, 16 incher right there, dude.
Oh, best fish of the day by far.
Just starting, dude. That's what we were seeing down there.
That one, brother.
It's a nice 16 right there, guys. Cool, my camera is on. All right. Dude, he just come right off that corner. I haven't seen this one in here all year.
Okay.
All right, guys, first big one of the day. I'm hoping this isn't all that we get. Me and Adam's gonna keep moving on, see if we can find some more of these. We saw a lot of these swimming around on the way here. They just wouldn't hit. All right, guys, let's let them go.
Much to lose. I've got too much to lose. Too much to lose. Now lay me in the wilderness to dry up bits of your sweet caress. I can't weep no more. Willow trees have died and the last horn lark will fly.
All right, guys, we're moving along. Still struggling to catch these fish, but the 16 was a nice one. I'm pretty positive 16. They didn't measure it, but typically there's 16 inches in here. All right, we're gonna move on forward, see if we can't get at them on some of these big ones, guys. All right, stay tuned.
It was always on fire.
We've caught some good ones here this year. Yeah,
Fish jumping up the stream.
yeah, smallmouth. Got a little too close to the bank. Oh, rock bass following. Something is chasing that. Yeah, they like hanging out down that ledge. The ledge there, there's a hole up underneath this tree. And then of course the old, what used to be the path there, it's gone.
Got one, got one.
Hey, got a Rocky.
Yep.
I thought I was seeing him chase that up.
Oh, that is a beautiful rockfish.
Yeah, he looks like he may even be in the middle of spawn. Get some black fins going on and everything. That is awesome. All right, there's a couple smallmouth here, small ones. Or maybe those are more rock bass.
Man, this, I think it might be pregnant. This thing's got some beautiful spots on it.
Oh, look at that.
Got him?
Yeah, I got him. Another good one.
That top water copper is in the deal.
Oh,
That was a nice one. Tried to horse him. You gonna bank flip him? What were you doing?
gonna bring him to the grass so I can grab him.
Oh man.
Beautiful 16, man.
Yeah.
He missed it the first time.
I don't know if those are rock bass or
Something just blew up on that grass, whatever it is over there. Man, that sucks I lost that fish. Who knows how big that fish was? He looked about 16 to me though. He looked like he was in that 16 range.
Pretty big too.
Yeah, easy 2 pounds. He's on that back side too back there. But yeah, it's coming through like that and I seen a boil right beside my bait. I was like, what? And then whoop, he just sucked it right down.
Yeah, I didn't even
Something just hit it there and knocked it sideways. Yeah, it wasn't an aggressive hit at all. He sucked it down more than anything. But there's like 3 or 4 of them in here like that. And the biggest one I've caught in this section right here is 17 3/4.
That one would have given that a run for its money, I think.
I caught him right over there on that grass line throwing a spinnerbait early spring this year. I was doing that recently.
Got a good one.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
Got a decent smallmouth on the rooster tail.
Finally got a hold of a good one. Here we go.
All right, nice smallie on the rooster
Good
tail.
fight.
There he is. Good one. Good fish. There we go.
Yeah. Nice healthy one too, that beautiful white belly.
There you go. That's my best smallmouth of the day for sure. Got him on the rooster tail. Nice fat one. Hold on, buddy. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Man. All right, buddy. I'll get you.
Calm down. Did your fish take off? You got him?
He came off, but he stayed right there.
Luckily he was out of gas.
I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. I had a reason to.
This is our last hole right here. You can see the ledge. And then it's kind of got a little middle section to it. Once you get out over there, we can walk around. We can fish all around this tree. And then there's a stump to the immediate left. And then it's private property after that.
Okay, so this is it.
This is it. This is as far as I go. And I have caught many, many fish off this tree right here. Yeah. So you can see the hole. Yeah, it's a good spot. There's been a lot of times I didn't catch nothing until I got all the way back here and then I caught 5.
Oh, this looks like beautiful.
Yeah, I say I always catch something here. There you go. Oh, missed him.
Yeah, you got flight.
Yeah, I seen it get jerked
I don't know what
sideways.
it was, but it didn't feel big. But
There's some big ones in here. They may be on the back side. They like to hang around that little corner.
yeah, it's going to be real tight to that tree.
Missed
Is
him.
that a fish?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
again. Craig jerked that out of his mouth.
Must have been a rock bass. I bet them big ones are on the other side. Now they're either on the other side or they're to the left in that corner. That fish wanted this one though, man. He came back for it twice. No follow-up for a third one though.
If they want it, they will. Yeah, you get it near him. That one followed it all the way right there and finally did it. Follow Rocky. He followed it all the way in. I saw him. He finally did it.
I didn't even notice.
There you go. Took the lead.
That's why I didn't get hit.
I saw him. He didn't hit it. He was there.
Cool, cool. Yo!
Giant. Greg was right. He said the giants were over there. He was right because he's got one. Oh my goodness. Get him over there in the bank, dude.
I'm trying. I'm gonna lose him, dude. He's barely hooked.
Don't hurt him.
He's barely hooked.
Get him in the bank. Come on. This way, dude. Oh my goodness.
You see him jump?
I thought he was bigger than that, honestly.
Yeah, he's a little 15-incher, maybe 16.
That is a big fish. That little plopper, that little micro plopper has paid dividends, buddy.
He's got heart, dude.
That's a nice one, buddy. Very solid one.
There we go, guys. Now we gotta find the other ones because there's 3 or 4 more in there just like this. He just come at that with the thunder. All right, let's get him back in the water, guys. Man, he got some hang time, dude. That was awesome.
He looked even bigger in the air.
He looked 20 inches jumping.
I thought he was mad.
He's got sore mouth. He's been caught a few times. Hey, that's on my camera wet fast and he took off before I get getting on the other side on you. Too aggressive. Alright guys, that is a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the way that went. Guys, make sure you check out Adam's channel and also check out Adam's Instagram page. This guy had went from 20,000 followers to 30,000 followers in like a couple hours. It's totally amazing, guys. This guy is really making some moves. Help my man out, give him some support, guys. Alright, expect to see some more from us in the future, guys. Till next time.